welcome back to Ma'amCon's TV. For today's video, we will be featuring Cooking Time with Ma'amCon. Disclaimer, I am not a chef, I am not a cook, but I can cook. Let us first identify all the ingredients that we will be needing. First, we need garlic, onion, ginger, chicken, cabbage or pechay, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, granulated seasoning, 3 green peppers, 3 cups of water, and sinigang mix. Next part of this video, I will be showing you on how to cook Sinampalukang Manok. So, enjoy watching! Hope that you have learned something new today and hope that you can use it, especially this rainy season. So, enjoy your meal and happy cooking!